How to save Telegram videos in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can save Telegram videos in your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you are an iOS or iPhone user and then you want to save the videos you downloaded from Telegram, it is very simple. Go and launch the Telegram application over here, and then just navigate to the group or the profile who has sent you a video. Now right here you can see the certain video, and what if I want to download this video? If I want to save this video to my gallery, I just need to tap the three dots option from the top right hand side here, and then here you'll find the option called save video. When you tap on it, this particular video is actually going to get saved to your Photos application. Now let me just open my Photos application here, and once I open my Photos app, you'll be able to notice the video that we just downloaded. This way you'll be able to basically save Telegram videos in iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.